What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just changed my studio. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And the first thing that I wanted to actually mention is that this video right now I'm recording is actually re-recording, because the first I wanted to actually record from X100V, but then there's a kind of problem with the eye detection. That's what I'm assuming, I'm not sure. I turned on the eye detection from X100V while recording the video, and then the X100V started kind of make some kind of noise in order to actually focus on the right place. And within I guess 5 minutes or so, this camera started kind of heating up, and then it just shut down. So I actually decided to re-record this intro, come back to this shot. Whether I want you to have X100V, that could be a downside. If you, for example, looking for some kind of a compact camera that has everything that you need, for example, ND filter, a film recipe, and okay focus speed, electro film camera look, but also enough compact that you can carry everywhere you go. You have flash, of course, but that's the downside. That if you want to, for example, film something, it's possible that you might need to carry another camera, like for example me, Nikon, because this X100V doesn't have enough capability to continuously filming something. Maybe this is because I turned on this eye detection, but if you're a factor and you include this feature that you can actually recording with eye detection, then it should work, but it didn't work. Maybe you find X100V it's just simply worth to buy it, then go for it. But for me, I was one of them who was really longing for buying this camera, because every single YouTuber is mentioning about this camera, this amazing. Of course, I don't regret buying it, but it could be a trick here, like for those who already have X Pro, Fujifilm camera, any other Fujifilm. I'm not sure, because I'm not from Fujifilm family. You still can choose film recipe, and of course you can customize it, which you can actually do it with X100V as well. If you're, for example, looking only for film recipe and buying this X100V, I don't think it's really worth it. I would say it's better actually to buy X Pro or different X series from Fujifilm, because then you can actually change the lens. But if you like this kind of aesthetic of this camera, and for me this camera actually brought me back to me liking photographing people, or basically landscape, or whatever that's daily documentation. Because since my Nikon, it's a bit too big to carry around all the time when I have a friends gatherings or daily basis, just carrying around in the streets and taking photos. It's to emphasize that I'm photographer and taking photos, so that people actually can notice me taking photos, right? That's not what I wanted. If I have this just really compact like Fujifilm X100V, I feel like a bit of freedom from people's attention. I don't want to hold people's attention. I like the fact that I can actually manage to capture people's emotions more natural way than just telling them, hey, just pose something or do something, look at that way or look at that way. Yeah, so this is something I really love about this camera. Is it worth for hypes? I'm not sure. That's the end of this video, I guess. For me, yeah, it was worth it. It was worth buying it, and I love using it and try to go out whenever I have a time, and then I carry this camera around whenever I feel like that could be a photogenic, or that could be really nice photos. I really want to have a camera with me. That camera has to be X100V. I'm saying this because I feel like X100V actually made me to go out, made me to capture something more. One thing that I want to say is I really love this camera, and I don't think I will stop using that. And also the film recipe that I really love. I already posted specifically some film recipe that I really love, so if you like it, please check it out. And everyone has different opinions, so please let me know if you have a different opinion. And if you have X100V and you have different opinions, please let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell. As always, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. It's already 1 a.m. so I'm really sleepy, so I will go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.